Cash App transfer failed. Are you getting a Cash App transfer failed message? Don't know how to fix this issue? Users just need to connect with the Cash App team for rectification steps. You'll be guided remotely with quick solutions to fix your glitch instantly. Simply talk to the executives anytime to get quick support from technical executives. Appropriate strategies need to be followed by taking guidance from Cash App service professionals. In recent times, many Cash App users have been identified to complain about Cash App transfer failed troubles. They generally come to about the problems when they are in urgent need to send money. Therefore, to overcome the issues instantly, they must have a conversation with the Cash App service team. Searching out the techniques to handle the Cash App transfer failed circumstances is the imperative aspect. The need to send money to friends and families might arise anytime. But on the other hand, the technical problems also impact the Cash App without any notification. Finally, they begin to go through several problems. Therefore, they should speak to the Cash App support service team for a quick solution. Cash App transfer failed. Do you want to fix it? If your answer is yes, then you have chosen the right path to fix it. On this path, you will know to fix the Cash App transfer failure within seconds in just a click. You have to click on this given link. Do you need any sort of technical aid on the issue of Cash App transfer failed? With the Cash App support service, you'll get help in fixing all the glitches quickly. Experts rectify the issue remotely with their knowledge. Get in touch to avail service and to get the troubleshooting steps from the experts.